Welcome to Lesson 15. In the previous 14 lessons, we built a complete Foundry system, but building it is only half the job. The other half is governing it, understanding where data comes from, who can access it, and providing compliance to regulators. This is where Foundry's governance capabilities shine. You can build the most sophisticated predictive model, but if you can't prove where the data came from and who accessed it, regulators won't accept it. Governance isn't a technical burden, it's a competitive advantage. Enterprises choose Foundry because it makes compliance effortless. Foundry tracks the complete journey of every dataset, from the moment you upload a CSV through every pipeline transformation into the ontology and every application that reads it. The audit log shows who accessed what, when, and from where. This complete provenance is what regulators want to see. These four concepts form the foundation of Foundry governance. Lineage tells you what data flows where. Impact analysis prevents silent breakages. You know when you change something what downstream systems are affected. Health checks catch data quality issues early, and permissions ensure that sensitive information is only visible to authorized users.